Okay, we need to fix something. Okay, we need to fix something. Okay, we need to fix something. Look at this plant. We have to rotate it. So, R, X, rotate. And voila! Magic. Now we can place it into place. Z. Oh, first go on the y-axis. Then use this hand and go there. And press G, Z. Go there. Go on the x-axis. Then press this. Press the thing that you parented it to, and press G, Y. And then GZ. And then GY. So, yeah. Yeah, it kind of, yeah. Now it looks better. Just, at least for now. So, let's make the teeth. So, first, what you want to do, oh my gosh, this is so annoying, is select this, Shift D, and press GZ. Just move it down. Oh, GZ. Just move it down. Rotate it on the x-axis. GZ a bit more. And then GY. And then rotate. Okay. Hopefully. And then you go on the y-axis, of course, and just check if that's aligned. So, nope, GX, right about there. Okay, so that's aligned. And now what you want to do is duplicate. So push Shift D, but then don't do anything. Push Shift Z. So put it right there. We need to do some adjustments. Then you basically duplicate it all around and make it small. Oh wait, I should demonstrate that. So GY, move it here. Oh, yes. Rotate it on the x-axis. Scale it down. Put it here. GY. Scale this down just a bit. And GY. Okay. Oh, GY. And then GX. And then you basically do that all around. So Shift D, but you don't do anything, just press GX and put it until this doesn't come out, so it barely comes out. So it keeps the, you know. Wait. No, that doesn't look right.
A few moments later.
You don't need to do much editing, just make it smaller. Just GX. There you go. And yeah. And for those little parts, like, okay, no. For those little parts, you can see. Wait. Okay, select that. Go to edit mode. And as usual, toggle X-ray. X faces. Then select this. Edit mode. X faces. Okay, now there won't be any. And we will put like actually let's do that right now. So let's select edit. No. Add mesh plane. So where's that plane gone? And then press GZ. Okay, once you've got that, I want to scale it down to that. Okay, so it's about what do you say? Like a bit smaller, just a bit smaller than the head, and then rotate it on the yeah, just rotate it on the y-axis by 90 degrees, if I am right. There. And if it goes slanted a bit, it doesn't matter. Press G, put it inside there. Press G, wait, GX, and put it inside there. Okay. And then go to edit mode, you know, select everything, edit, subdivide, to make it easier. And then, yeah, once you've got that point, just drag it like there. And then go to object mode and press G. And then select this, and then add modifier, vision surface. And then shade smooth. And then select this and just move it in. And then just put it in like, okay. And this, you can see that's still a bit skin left. A bit like space there. What did I say? Skin. So that will make it more, you know? Yeah. And then press face select and just delete. Oh, press this, then press shift and press this, and press X faces. And then press side select, no, edge select. Select this, select this, select this, select this, select this. Tilt it. X faces. X edges. I guess we could subdivide it. Okay, so you have to right click, subdivide again, I know. Shift, face select mode, this, shift, and then X, faces. There's one little bit left. So to mask that out, let us do edge select, just a tiny bit, and then move it out. And you can also see that, right, so G, Z, wow, pretty happy. Okay, so now what you have to do is just basically duplicate everything. So press this, Shift D and GX, and just move it there. No. Move it until it like barely comes out. Just like this one. It's like barely coming out. Like that. Do you see that? Now it's the last step. Like the last. Oh no. Select this. This tooth. Go to edit mode. Just take it file. Select this. Select this. X faces. Go. So like this whole thing, X faces. Nice. Okay. Then we select this and we do the same Shift-D, GX. And GX a bit there. Then press edit mode, select this. Then press X, faces, object mode, and hopefully it has done the trick. And press this, push Shift D, GX, and rotate it on the Y axis. Control. Like that. G, like that. Oh, and press RX. No, and press edit mode and select this. X faces, then edit subdivide. X faces. Finally. Yes. Okay. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you had fun and hope you enjoyed.